welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Sifu JJ. I cannot imagine how much I'm happy for taking you the lesson 6 so for Mantis Kung Fu. Let's go. Welcome back. Let's do some warm up and the basics. Okay, cross your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Arm circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Let's go. The next, you both hand to become the Mantis head. So you go circle around, one right and left. You go boom attack. So you go 1, 2, 3. Blocking, boom attack. 1, 2, 3. One more. Perfect. Other side. 1, 2, 3. Left, right, 3. 1, 2, 3. Left, right, attack. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And go 1 cross. Go boom 2. So you go and 2. So 1, 2 and 2, 3. 1 and 2. 1, 2 and 2, 3. 1 and out. The next one. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. The other side. 45. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Go 1, 2, 1, 2. 4 move for this one. Left hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 left, right, right, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4. One more time. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2. 1 and 2 and come back and attack. Let's go to the next one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, last move from the last lesson. After that, you go step left, right hand on the floor, and go straight. Come back, attack, both hand, and cross right on the top, left, jump down, boom. Same thing, 1 and 2 and 3. You jump down. After that, you go right hand, go up 45, down, and you go kicking, down, attack. After that, left hand circle, right hand follow, step cross, right hand continue, go down. If you're first time here, so you know a channel update their video every single day. If you trust Kung Fu is a way of life, you should to subscribe my channel and start training with me. Thank you. So let's start the quick note from the basics. Always I said the basics is very important. You should to daily practice. So let's start the arm first one, left to right, and you go attack. So this one blocking, and this is shaking. It's not only this part. It's this part, this part, this part. I say boom, boom. So you can attack eye or forehead, right? Good. So let's to go the next one. The same thing if we go flat like this way. So how to strong your wrist does have a lot of ways. In other video, you can find out I do a lot of exercise to strong your wrist. But overall, so no one really strong in this point if you just go straight on. So this is same is go boom shaking, right? That's the part. Even you're stuck and then you push, so you're still pretty strong in your wrist. But if you go straight, go this way, and no one to get that strong power to attack, you might injure your wrist, right? So let's go the next one, the simple one. This and this and this and this is great basics just for blocking. If someone punch you, simply blocking, punch, blocking, attack back, attack back. Simple like that, just like you punch, right? Always remember, Mantis, the fingers so important. Yeah, that's great. Okay, let's go to next one. This is a great one, like swimming. So you go open and go attack onto the head, or you can do the both side of your head, someone's head. Sorry. All right. So same thing. You come back and go attack the stomach. So you go up, down, 3, 4, perfect. All right. To go the next one. So next one also is my favorite. You go punch, someone grabbing your arm, you grabbing the hand, and you go twist to attack this way. Same one this way, right? So you go grabbing, someone grabbing you, you grabbing back, and you go make circle attack by this way. Yeah, and also quick go through. We go the stances. So do stances. I think in Tiger lesson already to mention you similar stuff. So you go 1 knee lift, 2 quick. So this is the point. You gotta give the best speed because this you gotta step on someone and feet and you go smash. Then you win the game. Or you got to go boom 缠腿. The 缠腿 almost like you kick with the angle. You kick the angle or low part. That's a very powerful, dangerous move. Even just one step, 1, 2, and something like that, right? Okay. Another one is like big circle we talk about is this. This can be a blocking move. Like punch, go kick, blocking, attack, boom. Can be small, can be big, depends the situation, right? Punch, kick, blocking, saw, like that. That's great. Okay, another one, also my favorite one. You gotta go boom, boom, shoot. This is 缠腿. You say kick, down, and step down to attack the feet. You cross, boom. You kick by your heel. That little part can be anywhere. Can be anywhere. Okay, great. Okay, next to go the next one. Okay, this is attack both sides. Boom. This is blocking or grabbing. And you go. See this? You kick this way, attack this way. 1, 2, and come back this way. 1, 2, 3. Bah, bah, bah. Yeah. Very nice. And the kicking, we're learning a lot, getting more and more. So, we start kicking. In intention, we do the slap. And you can't withdraw. Just with the kick. And then you make boom, the jumping kick. And after boom, this one attack the side or the chin from low. Great. Jumping kick by knee. That's also one of my favorite move. You gotta go spinning. Use your arm, so important. You lift your knee and you spinning like this, and then you gotta go kick. You land by your knee, your target on the floor. That is a great movement. You should to practice daily. All right, let's go to the next one. Oh, this is one of my favorite as well. So on the floor, sweep have two kinds. Sweep like this, but this one sweep your leg on the floor. So say you go low and your left hand right here and this. So you sweep one like this, and then you gotta sweep, you get up. This is another way to sweep. It's very useful, very useful. So you got down and you kick the leg and quick get up and you go attack. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, let's say the next one. We go, oh, folding. The folding is a new part for Mantis, but you have to understand. So say left arm right and you go cross and you go fold. So let's just talk about the fold. Very important, this feet. You gotta stop like a break on the floor and you slide this one, you're folding either side, right? So you go boom. You see it's fold. You see how important this feet on the floor and stuck to keep center and balance. You not fall hard. That is also a way to defend yourself and boom a punch or kick. You're just go fall this way, boom and grabbing the leg and kick back. Kung Fu is a way of life. So keep up your hard training. I see you next video and bye bye.